It is the mathematics video number 32, exercise 7.2, question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1, minus 5 and B minus 4, 5. That means AB is a line. AB is a line. And A coordinate is 1, minus 5 and B coordinate is minus 4, 5. And AB line is internally divided by one point P which is present on the x-axis. One point P which is present on the x-axis. So already we know any point, coordinate of any point on the x-axis is denoted by A, 0. And any coordinate on the y-axis is denoted by 0, B. So just we have to assume this point P, A, 0, which is on the x-axis, and this point is internally dividing line AB. Okay, internally dividing line AB, but there is not written it is internally dividing or externally dividing. If this one is externally dividing, then there is written externally dividing. But if there is not written anything, that means by default that one is internal division you can do. Okay, so let the coordinate of the point on the x-axis be PA, 0, which divides line AB in the ratio m:n, where coordinates of A 1, minus 5 and B minus 4, 5. Okay, so since written P is internally dividing AB, P is internally dividing AB, here you can mention which divides line AB internally, you can write like this, internally in the ratio m:n, where coordinates of A 1, minus 5 and B minus 4, 5. Okay, in the notes I think this word is not written, which one is given in the WhatsApp group. This solution, this internally is not written, so you write down that one there. So where coordinates of A 1, minus 5, B minus 4, 5. So now written, since P is internally dividing AB, so by the section formula of internal division, so it is the internal division formula, then PA, 0, so here x coordinate, y coordinate both are equal to x coordinate equal to, here x coordinate, y coordinate equal to y coordinate, because P is internally dividing. So PA, 0, then internal division formula wise x coordinate, we will get this process wise m into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n, and y coordinate this process wise m into y2 plus n into y1 by m plus n. So m:n ratio is not given, so same to same m, n, m, n like this you write. Then from the coordinate of A and B, A coordinate x1, y1, B coordinate x2, y2, from these two coordinate you write down x1, x2, y1, y2 value in the formula. After that x2, x1, x2, y2, y1, these things already written. Then after that just you do the calculation by comparing and equating. That means x value equal to x value, y value equal to y value. That is called by comparing and equating. So x value equal to x value, y value equal to y value. So written x value is a equal to, by the calculation, plus minus 4 into m minus 4m plus n by m plus n. So minus 4m plus n by m plus n, a equal to this. Then 0 equal to y coordinate 0. Here y coordinate 0. By comparing and equating, 0 equal to this one. So 5 into m minus 5n. 5 into m minus 5n by m plus n. So 5m minus 5n by m plus n. Then by shifting from here you will get m is to n value is what? 1 is to 1 ratio. That ratio getting, and this ratio m is to n, this ratio you put here. In the place of m you put 1, in the place of n you put 1. Then by the calculation you will get minus 3 by 2. So a equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore the coordinate of the point P A, 0, a value is minus 3 by 2, 0. It is the required coordinate of the point which is internally dividing line AB in the ratio m is to n, and that ratio also already we are getting 1 is to 1. That's it.